Hello everyone, welcome back to the Learn DAX in 2 minutes series. This is day 4 and today we will learn one of the most powerful combinations in DAX, calculate with filter. Now what is filter? The filter function creates a new table from an existing one based on a condition. Remember, filter always returns a table. So to find the total sales where category is tech, go to modeling and click on new measures. Type total sales of tech equals to calculate opening parenthesis sum opening parenthesis sales column closing parenthesis comma. Now we will use filter function opening parenthesis. Now filter function will always works on table, so select the table name comma. Now for condition, select the category equals to tech in double quotes and press enter. The measure is added. Add a card, drag the measure in the fields. The card will display the total sales of tech. Let's try another example that cannot be solved without filter. Now in this example, we want the total of sales that are greater than average sales. Here we need to compare sales in each row against the average sales, and that's why filter is required. Go to modeling and click on new measures. Type sales above average equals to calculate opening parenthesis. The expression would be some function of total sales. So selecting sales column, closing parenthesis for sum, comma, filter, opening parenthesis. The table name is sales, comma. The condition sales of each row should be greater than average of sales column. Press enter. Now add a new card visual and drag the measure into fields. So this is how combination of calculate and filter helps us to solve complex problems. In the next video, we will explore row context and filter context concept. Stay tuned.